This is the beginning of section 1.2, which is on counting. And in order to work probability questions, you've in many cases got to be able to count quite well. And before we get started on counting, I wanted to differentiate between enumeration and counting. Enumeration you can think of as listing all of the possible outcomes, whereas counting is simply making a count of the outcomes. Here's an example. You'll have to use your imagination. The Chicago Cubs and the Chicago White Sox are playing in the World Series. Right now, the best of 7 series is tied at 2 games apiece, which means the Cubs have won 2 and the Sox have won 2. And the question is, what are the possible outcomes to this series? So if we let C represent the Cubs winning a single game, and let S be the event that the White Sox wind up winning the next game, then it being tied 2-2 right here, either the Cubs can win or the Sox can win. Let's say the Cubs win. Well, if the Cubs win again, then it's the Cubs 4 and the Sox 2, and the series is over. So this is one possible outcome. Here is another, and another, and another, and another. There are a total of 6. And the 2 outcomes that are at this level right here denote a 6-game series, and the 4 outcomes that are along here denote a 7-game series. But the key point to this example is that we are enumerating all of the different possibilities, whereas in every example that follows we are not listing them all, we are simply counting them.